way you gotta wait until it's...
Yeah, don't be premature.
When you do it, you gotta pull pretty hard.
You might want to reach by,
And then just let it go by itself.
And then keep going. You know, you've done it.
Goes up and then pulls.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it says 12 o'clock here.
What's the
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go.
Perfect!
Yay!
Great job.
How many times do you ring it?
You're better.
However many times you want.
Alright, you're doing good. Keep it up.
Well done.
Does it pull back up on you? Does it,
Yeah.
is it really strong?
Is it super, like, is it hard to pull, like, does it feel like a lot of weight?
So that's a workout, huh?
It's really good air.
Let Adam do it now.
Wow, that's nice. That's old school. That's not an MP3 playing. No. I wonder what the neighbors think of. I suppose it's New Year's. Yeah. They don't. Only 12. How often does that bell get rung? I remember when I was at school, people used to like to pull the fire alarms at 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, like on exam week, and then make everybody go outside. I'm Charlie. I didn't get to introduce myself. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
The first time here.
Yeah.
My second time. They did a lot of work since the first time.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
I just want to hear it.
Wow, it's so
Gussie, you wanna
I'm
try?
gonna fall. Here. Continue my videotaping experience.
Okay, will do.
It's so removed. It's so removed from you.
Yeah. It's pretty far up.
Yeah.
How heavy is that bell?
It's crazy heavy.
God, it's way up there.
Yeah. It's gigantic.
Yeah, that's pretty. Like this, the immediate transfer between
Ray, you wanna do it?
what your arm does.
It's fun to do. You sure? Do it. It's funny because it's so tactile and yet it's so far away.
I have to go with it.
It's abstract.
There you go, honey.